Let me tell you about our new GoPact MCCB in 60 seconds. Our panel builder partners need to complete jobs easily and economically. And that's exactly what our new GoPact multi-case circuit breaker lets them to do. Now they can quickly build standards protection into their power system installations while having access to a comprehensive portfolio of accessories. A large power rating from 16 to 800 amps makes the GoPact MCCB suitable for small and simple applications such as warehouse, workshops, farms, and many more. Of course, this new series is compliant with IEC standards, but our true differentiation is that Schneider Electric brand and quality ensure safe electrical installation even in harsh environments. GoPact MCCB is available through a range of distribution channels, including your favorite e-commerce platform. Reliable, robust, and affordable, that's our new GoPact MCCB in 60 seconds.